Hey, it's Chris. So not that long ago, I quit my corporate 9-to-5 job because I built multiple passive income streams. Now, passive income is money that you can earn without having to actively work on it. And in this video, I'm going to show you 7 passive income ideas and strategies that I've used to earn at least $500 per month. But most importantly, I'm going to show you how you can get into each one as well, and some of which you can start today. So you may be asking, is passive income real? Is it really possible? Why go after it in the first place? Well, Warren Buffett has a famous quote where he said, if you do not find a way to earn money while you sleep, you are going to work until you die. And ever since I heard that quote years ago, I've been working on passive income streams that have allowed me to live a life on my terms. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to be able to quit your job one day with the passive income streams we're going over today. But what I do want to help you do is set up some of these passive income streams on your own, much like I did. And then you can decide how deep you want to go into it and be able to reach whatever goals that you have. But before we jump in, if you want to learn my #1 strategy for making money online, be sure to go check out the free step-by-step training that is down in the description, where I help you build a passive income stream the exact same way that I did. So just check out benjisdad.com/passive. That is benjisdad.com/passive. Again, it's a free training, so there's no real reason why you shouldn't do it, okay? But with that said, let's jump into the video. So the first passive income strategy is starting a niche blog. Now, I get it. Everybody recommends starting a niche blog, but that's because they actually work, and even now more than ever. But let me give you a few statistics. Number 1, did you know that 61% of all consumers who make purchase decisions make those purchase decisions after reading a blog about it? And considering that just last year, there was over $3.5 trillion spent online, that's probably going to be even more this year with everybody stuck at home. You don't need to make a significant amount of sales to be able to make a good income. You just need a small portion of it. But on top of getting income from your blog, you can also get income by placing ads on your website, referring different types of products and getting an affiliate commission from it, and even doing sponsored posts where people will pay you to get in front of your audience. So I know you might be thinking, yeah, are blogs really passive though? And it's true, I do have to update my blogs pretty often to make sure that they stay relevant with the information that's relevant for today. But there are many things that you can do to make this process entirely passive, such as hiring writers and even editors, just so that they can write the articles for you and even post them. At that point, there's some websites that I check only about 2 to 3 hours a month, probably, just to make sure that everything is going the way that it's supposed to. But what really makes running a blog passive is the fact that the articles that you can write, if you target the right keywords, are going to rank for years. I was just recently doing some research on a new niche website that I'm getting ready to start, and I'm finding articles that have been ranking since 2012. That's over 8 years that these articles have been ranking, still making the website owners money. So the next income model that I definitely recommend is affiliate marketing, but more specifically with recurring income. So affiliate marketing basically is the act of referring products to people, and then if they go and buy it, then you're going to actually get some type of commission. There is a little bit of ethics involved in terms of affiliate marketing, because sometimes people will refer products that they don't even use. They're just doing it because it pays a high commission. But I definitely recommend that all of my students, especially, to only promote products that you use, only promote products that you have some interaction with, because really and truly, those are what you are able to promote the easiest and the best online, because people see that you actually have the product. But again, to be more specific with affiliate marketing, I definitely recommend concentrating on recurring income. Now, when I say recurring, I mean income that you're able to get month after month just by referring the sale just once. So for example, one of the programs that I promote and I heavily use is Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is a great landing page software where it's very easy to set up websites literally within a few minutes. But every time I refer someone to go sign up at Clickfunnels, I'm actually going to get a $38 kickback for every month that they remain a member. That's pretty good, especially if you were to get that to, 20, 30, 40, 100 people. You're going to be getting thousands of dollars per month in recurring income for a service that people are going to be using over and over and over again. So if you haven't noticed, digital products is really the best thing to do this with. Products that you can find online, maybe different softwares that people need to run a a business and the more ingrained those programs are in the working of someone's business, then the longer that they are going to stay a member of those programs, which means more income for you long term. But even outside of the digital space, I have heard of people having pretty good success with delivery services. Like I remember recently I saw somewhere where you can sign up for a golf box where they give you like a shirt and some books and some food and things like that that are all golf related. People will sign up for these different types of services, $99 a month, $50 a month, and you're probably going to get anywhere from 30 to 40% for each month that these people remain members. People love subscription models nowadays because that's really where everything is going, and usually it's because it's cheaper. But because of that, you are going to get a commission for each sale each month that they remain members. The next passive income idea that definitely is a favorite of mine is creating an online course. Now, I will say, creating an online course and really any type of passive income is going to require you to put a little bit of work up front just so that you can enjoy the benefits later on. But you only have to do it once, especially with an online course. It takes a lot of time, a lot of effort to shoot videos, to put the information together, to figure out what the people actually want in the actual courses. And then once you put it together and package it up and sell it, but you're done at that point. And then you can sell that program over and over and over again. So really, if you have a skill, it doesn't even matter what that skill is, but if you understand a particular difficult topic and you're able to explain it, especially in video format, you can then package it up, list it on Teachable, and it will sell. It doesn't even have to be complicated. I've seen many courses that are on how to use vinyl cutting machines like the Cricut, or how to pass insurance exams, or how to even raise goats. Yeah, even raise goats. People are making money on those particular skills. So when it comes to pricing your course, it doesn't have to even be super expensive. Imagine that you put a course together and you listed it for sale for like $199 for the course. If you sold it 500 times, that's over $100,000. If you sold it for $397 or like $400 and you sold it 250 times, you'd still make about $100,000. So you don't need that many people in order to buy your products, in order to make a significant income from it. And this is income that you're going to be generating from the online course that you created, again, only one time. The next passive income that I recommend is creating a podcast. Now, this is definitely a long game. This is going to take probably a little bit of time before you are actually able to start earning a passive income from it, but it's very similar to the blog. As you are building that foundation, it's going to get to a point to where it starts to roll and it just kind of just blows up. You can gain a large audience and you can gain large trust from people because you're talking in their ears for 30 minutes to an hour each time, and they'll end up buying whatever it is that you recommend. I have some friends that have made over $250,000 just in their first year of podcasting from different sponsors and affiliate marketing, combining it with online courses, and even some coaching. The passive nature comes with podcasting because the episodes that you create are always there, always available, selling you. So no matter what time of the day it is, it can be 3 o'clock in the morning and you can be snoozing in your bed. Someone can pull up your podcast and listen to what it is that you have to say. That means you have like a little person. You're like making a little duplicate of yourself that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That is how you earn a passive income. Podcasting also helps you build a brand. It also can lead to speaking opportunities and, again, further coaching, being featured on other podcasts. There's just so many opportunities that are available with podcasting. Another favorite passive income strategy that I use is to invest or buy other businesses. A couple of years ago, I bought a dying business. It was only about $700 or so. I was able to find it over on flippa.com. It was a website that the owner had pretty much gave up on. It was a blog, but I saw the potential in it because I saw a lot of keywords that he wasn't going for. I saw a lot of information that he was really just missing out on. So I went ahead and bought it. I added some articles. I changed the monetization strategy. And now that website earns a consistent $500 or so a month. And I haven't even touched it for months. So you can see here how buying a business that's already kind of moving, making a couple of tweaks here, making a couple of tweaks there, and you can turn it into a passive income stream. You can do the same thing with doing something like purchasing a laundromat or some vending machines like I did, a website. The principle pretty much remains the same because you're going to be buying something that will in the future consistently earn you money month after month after month, which is very much like our next passive income opportunity, which is rental real estate. Now, when I first got married, we lived in a pretty small house, and then we decided to move to a bigger house when we wanted to start a family. But we had a hard time trying to sell the other smaller little house, right? So we ended up having to rent it out. But now that I look back at that, that was probably the best thing that could have happened to us. We could have sold it and got the big income, right there. But now that we've kept it, we are able to get a consistent income month after month from just the renters. On an average house, you can typically buy it and then rent it out and probably get anywhere from $200 or so per month to over $1,000 per month. So as long as you are earning more money in rental income than you're actually earning in the mortgage itself, you're going to always be coming out ahead. But imagine if you did this not just with one house, but you did it with 3 houses or even 5 houses. Once you have those houses paid off after a 30-year mortgage, then you're going to be getting the full rental income from those properties each and every month. So if you had 5 rental properties with the mortgages all paid off after a 30-year mortgage, you're going to be getting around $6,000 per month just from those rental properties. And I know having to pay off the 30-year mortgage, that's a long game, but it is worth it to have a solid few $1,000s coming in each and every month. Passive income ideas number 7 is YouTube ads or YouTube display ads, the kind of advertisements that you see when you're watching a YouTube video. I'm sure you have seen a couple even on this video because my channel is monetized. But every time an advertisement runs, even if you were to skip the advertisement, chances are the creator is making some money in the back, if it's a few cents or if it's a lot more than that if you actually do the click. But if you can get a lot of views on YouTube, you can turn that around into a significant income. So for example, this video right here that I created over a year ago has earned me over $18,000 in the last year, which is insane for a video. But it only took me about 3 hours or so to come up with the content, shoot, and edit that video. So that's like $6,000 per hour, which is really kind of insane when you think about it. But that's what's possible. But there is a caveat to this. There's no guarantee that the video that you create is going to go viral. There's no guarantee that that first video you create is going to go viral, let alone the next 5 or 10. But it is still worth going after. Just imagine if you went out there and you made 100 videos, but only like a handful of them actually popped and got some really good views, then you're going to start earning an income very, very quickly. Then once you have the following, once you have the community and the eyeballs on your YouTube channel, just keep that gravy train moving, and then you'll be able to monetize in other ways on your YouTube channel, including merchandise and memberships and, again, affiliate marketing, course creation. The list just kind of goes on. So building a passive income, it isn't easy, but it's definitely worth a shot. Remember the old Wayne Gretzky quote where he said you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take? Well, you need to take a shot. Go ahead and try it because now is a better time than ever before. So if you want to take your first shot, go check out my free passive income training over at benjisdad.com/passive. That's benjisdad.com/passive. It's called 3 Little Known Secrets to Passive Income Blogging, training that I have designed and put together really just for you. And it's really, really awesome if I do say so myself. So check out the free training. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description, benjisdad.com/passive, and I'll catch you in the next video.